Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to your 14th tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the previous tutorial, you learned about classes and IDs. In this tutorial, you will learn how to incorporate CSS into HTML document. So let's get started. Okay guys, CSS can be added in three ways. Inline CSS by using the style attribute in HTML element. We have used this before. And then we have internal CSS by using the style tag in the head section here. And then we have external CSS by using an external CSS file. I will give you an example using the three ways. Alright, I will start with inline CSS. You simply say style in the opening tag, alright, equal and then double quote, and then we put the value that we want. Maybe we can say color to change the text color, right? And then we put the color that we want. Let me say gray. Save it. Let me refresh my page. Yeah, you can see H1 is displayed in gray. That is inline CSS. What about internal CSS? Alright, now I will remove this one here. Okay, let me save, refresh. You see now it is back to how it was. The internal CSS is declared in the head section. We say style. Alright, we close the style here within the head section. Alright, now we will select the element that we want to give a style. Now I will select H3. Alright, so to do that I will say H3. I will teach you CSS selector in the coming lessons. So you put this, you open this curly brace like this and close it. Alright, now in here you will put the value of your style. Alright, now I will say color colon. Alright, I will say green semicolon like this. I will save it. Now let me refresh. You can see H3 is in green. That is internal CSS. What about external CSS? Let me remove this. Okay. External CSS is added by creating an external CSS file. Let me show you how to do it. In our folder here, I will create a new file. Alright, I will create a new file and then let me open it with Notepad. Okay, now this file I will call it style. Let me save as, I will call it style.css. So the CSS extension is .css, not .html. No, this one is different. So it is style.css, but you can name it anything you want. But for me, it will be style.css. Let me save it. Now, I will link this style sheet to my HTML document, which is this one here. And to do that, I will link it in the head section here. Alright, just below title. I will say link. Alright, and then rel. This one stands for relationship, the relationship of the style sheet that we are linking, alright, to this HTML document. And then I will say equals double quote, and then I will say it is Stylesheet that I want to link. Alright? And then here I will say href. We learned about anchor tag in the previous tutorial. If you have not watched it, I urge you to go there so that you know what I'm talking about here. And then href. Now we will link our style sheet. Alright? And remember, in the anchor tag lesson, we said if it is within the folder where we save our HTML document, we just write the name and then plus the file extension. So now it is, let's put double quote, it is style.css. That's how we saved our style sheet, right? And then we close our tag. Alright, this one is self-closing. Now, let me save this. I will come to my style sheet here and select one of these and select OL, the O.list. list. So I want to give it a background. Alright, I will select the OL, O.list. list. So I will say OL. Alright, I will put my curly braces, and then here I will say background dash color. Alright, I will put the background color that I want. Let me put aqua. I think I like this color. And then semicolon. Save it. Refresh. You can see now the background has changed. Okay guys, that's how you can add CSS to your HTML document. In the coming lesson, you will learn about something called div element. So that's all for this tutorial. I will see you there.